Hello everyone and welcome to Learn German. In this 3-video series, we are going to practice the pronunciation of Ä, Ö und Ü. Here's the first video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for learning German for free and in the easiest way. We offer structured courses for A1, A2, B1 and B2 and a variety of topics from grammar and vocabulary to common mistakes one can make in German. You can also visit our page on patreon.com to get free worksheets, podcasts, transcripts, early access to our videos, and more. Aussprache Ä. There are 20 words in this video which either begin with Ä, that is E umlaut, or Ä comes in the middle. We will learn how to pronounce them. You have to just listen and repeat. Please note that the meaning of the word does not play a role. You should be able to pronounce it. For this video and the next 2 videos, there won't be any worksheet, transcript, podcast, or extra worksheet. So let's begin. The first one is Äpfel. Äpfel. Ähnlich. Ähnlich. In some regions, you will also hear ähnlich. Ärger. Ärger. Bär. Bär. Mädchen. Mädchen. In some regions, you will also hear Mädchen. Währung. Währung. Männer. Männer. Käse. Käse. You might also come across the pronunciation Käse. Jäger. Jäger. Pläne. Pläne. Or the variation Pläne. Hände. Hände. Fähig. Fähig. Gerät. Gerät. Or you might also hear Gerät. Hängen. Hängen. Klären. Klären. Oder klären. Länge. Länge. Mäßig. Mäßig. Or you could also hear mäßig. Sätze. Sätze. Gäste, Gäste. Diät, Diät. Great! If you want to practice some more, just stand in front of a mirror and repeat these words. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Danke! Thanks for watching this video. If you liked this video, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you still haven't. You can click on the bell to receive notifications whenever we upload a new video. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. Tschüss, auf Wiedersehen!